Welcome to Review Rumble. The best window AC is probably one of the most essential appliances for beating the heat, offering a powerful and efficient way to cool down your living space without the need for complex installation or ductwork. These units are perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, or any situation where central air conditioning isn't an option, providing targeted cooling exactly where you need it most. With a wide range of features available, from smart controls to energy-saving modes, finding the right window AC can significantly improve your comfort during those sweltering summer months, making it a worthwhile investment for any home seeking relief from high temperatures. Number 5. SereneLife 3-in-1 Portable Air Conditioner. Introducing the SereneLife 3-in-1 Portable Air Conditioner. Its lightweight and sleek design, along with rolling wheels, makes it perfect for any room in your home or office. This unit offers 3 versatile modes: cooling, dehumidifier, and fan. Simply plug it in and enjoy your preferred setting, with cooling as the default. Beyond cooling, it actively reduces humidity, creating a less hospitable environment for allergens like dust mites and mold. Easily adjust temperature, fan speed, and modes with the digital touch panel or the convenient included remote control. With 8,000 BTU cooling power, it efficiently cools rooms up to 215 square feet. Enjoy powerful performance with a quiet operating noise level. What we like? This unit is incredibly handy for those who need cooling in multiple rooms. If you're looking for a versatile solution that can also tackle humidity, this is a great choice. Its portability makes it ideal for renters or anyone who moves their AC between spaces like a bedroom, living room, or even a garage. What people say? The fan power is very good. The cooling works quite well in the summer. I find the noise level acceptable. The remote is handy. Timer function is useful. The unit easily cools my L-shaped living dining room area as well as the attached kitchen. That's about 1,000 square feet. It is much quieter than previous units I've owned. There is a feature that allows the cool air directors to slowly oscillate up and down. It has a sleek appearance that is aesthetically pleasing. Everything about the performance is fantastic. It looks sleek. It cools my new apartment far better than my old unit ever did, and the Wi-Fi connectivity is a great bonus. Being able to adjust settings from my phone is incredibly convenient. Best of all, it's whisper quiet. Number 4. SereneLife 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Experience powerful cooling wherever you need it. This portable air conditioner provides 14,000 BTU of cooling power, perfect for rooms up to 650 square feet. It's more than just an air conditioner. This unit also functions as a dehumidifier and a fan with 3 speed settings, adapting to your comfort needs. Control your comfort with ease. Features like a 24-hour timer, auto swing mode, and a remote control put all the settings at your fingertips. Enhance any space with its sleek, freestanding design. Enjoy a luxurious experience with quiet operation, ensuring it won't disturb your peace. Get cool air quickly with the included window mount exhaust kit. The removable air filter makes cleaning simple, ensuring efficient performance. What we like? For larger spaces, this unit offers superior cooling power. If you have a big room or an open-plan living area that struggles to stay cool, this is the one to consider. Its 14,000 BTU capacity ensures comfort even in spaces up to 650 square feet, making it perfect for main living areas or larger bedrooms. What people say? The fan power is very good. The cooling works quite well in the summer. I find the noise level acceptable. The remote is handy. Timer function is useful. The exhaust hose is a heavy, more rigid plastic material that easily snaps into the unit. The unit easily cools my L-shaped living dining room area as well as the attached kitchen. That's about 1,000 square feet. It is much quieter than previous units I've owned. There is a feature that allows the cool air directors to slowly oscillate up and down. Everything about the performance is fantastic. It looks sleek. It cools my new apartment far better than my old unit ever did, and the Wi-Fi connectivity is a great bonus. Being able to adjust settings from my phone is incredibly convenient. Best of all, it's whisper quiet. Number 3. JEACENT AC Window Air Conditioner Support Bracket. Introducing the JEACENT AC Window Air Conditioner Support Bracket, designed for light-duty support up to 85 pounds. It's the perfect solution for safely mounting your window air conditioner. This bracket features a universal design that adapts to most window units. Please check the description for specific window requirements to ensure a perfect fit for your needs. Installation is a breeze with our indoor-only design. You can easily mount it by simply drilling into the window sill, eliminating the need for any exterior work. It effectively transfers stress and weight from the window sill and sash directly to the support and window frame. This ensures enhanced safety and protects your window from damage. Designed to fit wall thicknesses from 2 to 11 inches, it also includes a built-in bubble level. This helps you achieve the correct mounting slope position for optimal performance. All necessary hardware is included for a complete installation. Furthermore, its all-weather construction ensures durability and longevity, no matter the conditions. What we like. This bracket is designed for ease of installation and long-term window health. If you're concerned about the weight of your AC unit damaging your window sill or sash, this is a must-have. It's perfect for those who prefer a secure, permanent feeling installation without needing external support. What people say. The air conditioner is very quiet and cools the room quickly. The remote control is easy to use and has many functions. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits well in the window. Number 2. Ivation Heavy-Duty Steel Air Conditioner Support Bracket. Introducing the Ivation Air Conditioner Support Bracket, designed for a hassle-free setup. No tools or drilling are required for installation, making it incredibly convenient. This heavy-duty steel bracket easily expands to fit most single or double-hung windows, accommodating various wall thicknesses. It's built to hold up to 200 pounds, providing reliable support for your window AC unit. Crafted from premium steel with an epoxy coating, this bracket is built for long-lasting durability. It ensures sturdy support for even heavier units, giving you peace of mind. Install it in minutes from inside your home without needing any tools, ladders, or extra hardware. The design prioritizes your convenience and safety. With integrated support legs, extension beams, and rubberized feet, it offers exceptional stability and safety. Enjoy a secure and steady window AC installation. Assembly is a breeze thanks to its easy, tool-free locking mechanism. Clear instructions are provided for a frustration-free experience. What we like. This is the ultimate solution for a quick, secure, and tool-free AC installation. If you're a renter or simply dislike drilling into your home, this bracket is ideal. Its heavy-duty construction supports up to 200 pounds, offering peace of mind and robust support for your window unit. What people say. The air conditioner is very quiet and cools the room quickly. Easy to install and operate, perfect for my small apartment. It has multiple fan speeds and a timer function, which is very convenient. Number 1. IKSTAR 400 cm Portable AC Window Seal Kit. This versatile window seal kit fits a wide range of window types, including casement, crank, and skylight windows. It's designed to work with any portable air conditioner, whether it uses a single or dual hose. Unlike fixed designs, our flexible zipper allows you to position your exhaust hose at any height. This ensures perfect alignment and a secure seal, no matter your AC unit's height or window position. Keep cool air in and hot air out with our effective window seal. It helps your air conditioner run more efficiently, saving energy and lowering your electricity bills for a more comfortable room. Made from premium waterproof fabric with UV protection, this kit keeps out rain, dust, and other elements. Its durable construction ensures it performs well in all weather conditions. Installation is a breeze with no tools or drilling needed. Just attach the adhesive Velcro, stick on the seal, and zip it around your hose. It's easy to remove without leaving residue. What we like. This kit is perfect for those with non-traditional windows like casement or crank styles. If you've struggled to find a window seal solution for your unique window type, this is your answer. Its no drill, waterproof design ensures an efficient seal and easy setup for maximum cooling performance. What people say. It does keep out moisture, as long as you make sure that the seal is tight on the tape side and the Velcro side. Works very well, easy setup and great use out of it thus far. Keeps any bugs and birds out of my windows. The Velcro used to hold it to the door frame is pretty strong and the magnets that hold the opening together are, too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.